Mia, I am really confused about have been and have gone today.
Do not worry, Leo. With one simple magic question, everything will become
Incredibly clear. Oh wow, seeing the clear pictures actually makes perfect sense to my brain now.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery, where we make learning English absolutely.
Mia, I am really confused about a very common English grammar mistake today.
Oh no, what exactly is on your busy mind at the office right now?
I keep hearing two specific expressions everywhere, but they sound almost identical.
Which expressions are confusing you? Millions of English learners get stuck right there.
I am talking about the phrases have been and have gone in conversation.
Ah yes, that is an incredibly common problem for almost everyone learning English.
To me, they both feel like the exact same thing when talking about travel.
Most learners think that way, but it feels like flipping a random coin instead.
Yes, that is exactly what I do, and I usually guess completely wrong.
Well, put that coin away because you do not need it anymore today.
Really? So what is the secret difference between these two confusing travel phrases?
I will share one simple question that changes absolutely everything about this grammar.
Just one simple question? I am all ears and completely ready for it.
If you remember this question, you will never ever confuse them again.
Perfect. This already feels like a fun puzzle piece clicking inside my brain.
Brilliant. Let us remove all your fear of grammar with pure imagination today.
I am totally relaxed now. No complicated formulas or thick grammar books today.
Zero formulas. I want you to paint a very clear picture in your mind.
My mental paintbrush is ready. Please give me that one important magic question.
Here it is, Leo. Did they come back from their trip yet?
Wait, what? Did they come back? Is that really the only question?
Yes, that is literally everything. Do not ask where they went in life.
So the golden rule is to ask if they returned back home safely?
Spot on. Ask if they came back instead of focusing on the destination.
I love how that sounds. It makes the grammar feel much less scary.
Excellent. Let us look at the big picture with two imaginary friends.
Great. Let us call these two traveling friends Jack and Mark for today.
Perfect. Jack has been to Paris and Mark has gone to Paris now.
They both went to the exact same beautiful city of Paris, France?
Yes, they both want croissants and coffee, but their situations are completely different.
Completely different? It sounds like they are living in two different realities now.
Night and day, Leo. Let us investigate Jack first to unlock the secret.
Let us find out what happened to Jack, who has been to Paris.
Imagine you want to talk to Jack, so you knock on my door.
Knock, knock. Hey, Mia, is your traveling friend Jack at home right now?
Yes, come on in, Leo. Jack is in the living room drinking tea.
But you just said that Jack has been to Paris, France recently.
I did, and he is sitting right here on my comfortable sofa today.
Let me ask the magic question. Did he come back from his trip?
Well, look at him. He came back, so we use have been.
Wow, that is incredibly simple. He packed his bags and flew back home.
Exactly. He has the memories and a passport stamp, but he is home.
So, have been means the travel experience is totally over and finished.
You bet. The trip is completely done and the person has definitely returned.
I see the visual metaphor clearly. His suitcase is empty in the closet.
Brilliant way to put it. The adventure is now just a wonderful memory.
I am writing this down in my brain with a bright neon marker.
Perfect. Let us practice some real-life examples to lock this grammar concept in.
I am completely ready to test my new have-been skills right now.
Say this sentence out loud with me today. I have been to London.
I have been to London, but I am here in the studio today.
Exactly. Did you come back from London? Yes, you returned years ago.
Let us try another one. She has been to beautiful Italy many times.
Imagine her taking dirty clothes out of her big suitcase in her bedroom.
The trip is done, so she is back home in her own house.
Yes. Here is one final example. We have been to colorful Morocco.
We drank fresh mint tea in Marrakesh, but now we are back home.
Perfect. You visited the place, you enjoyed the experience, and you returned safely.
The trip is finished. I want our amazing listeners to say it too.
Everyone, say it loud with us right now. The trip is finished.
That was not scary at all. Visual pictures are so much stronger today.
I told you, you just mastered the first half of this lesson.
I feel so smart. Now, what about our other traveling friend, Mark?
Let us shift the scene and bring on the magic of have gone.
Let us shift the scene and see what happened to Mark today.
Remember, Mark has gone to Paris to enjoy some fresh, delicious croissants.
Okay, I knock on your door and ask if Mark is home.
I open the heavy door and say, his beautiful room is empty.
Oh, so the bed is perfectly made and there are no suitcases?
Exactly. Let us ask our golden magic question for this new situation.
Did he come back from his wonderful trip to Paris, France yet?
No, he did not come back. He is still eating croissants there.
Ah, I see. Have gone means he went and has not returned.
You bet. Have gone means there's an empty chair at dinner.
I absolutely love that metaphor. An empty chair because he is away.
Precisely. The trip is not finished yet, so he is still there.
This is like a bright light bulb turning on in a dark room.
It feels incredibly good when English grammar suddenly makes perfect sense today.
Why do thick grammar textbooks make this simple concept so terribly complicated?
Because visual metaphors like the empty chair are much stronger than rules.
Can you give me some real-life office situations for have gone today?
Imagine you walk to your manager's desk, but her chair is empty.
Okay, her computer is asleep. I ask the assistant where she is.
The assistant says she has gone to the busy supermarket right now.
Ah, she is pushing the shopping cart and has not returned yet.
Spot on. Now let us step into the boxing ring for comparison.
A grammar fight between our two twins. I am ready for it.
Sentence 1. I have been to Paris. Did they come back yet?
Yes, the suitcase is empty in the closet. The trip is finished.
Sentence 2. I have gone to Paris. Did they come back yet?
No way. They are still walking by the beautiful river in Paris.
It is absolutely crazy how one small word changes the whole reality.
It truly does. So the ultimate key is asking if they returned.
Absolutely. You hold the powerful key to unlock this grammar secret now.
I feel like a highly professional grammar detective at the office.
Well, grab your magnifying glass because we're entering the error lab.
I am putting on my safety goggles for the dangerous error lab.
Listen carefully. My dad has been to the office. He will return.
Wait, if he will return later, he is not here right now.
Correct. So, did he come back from his busy office trip yet?
No, he is still working. The student used the wrong grammar twin.
Excellent detective work. What should the correct English sentence be today?
It should definitely be, my dad has gone to the busy office.
Yes, because there's an empty chair at the dinner table.
Visuals are so powerful. Are there any more mistakes from the lab?
Listen to this strange sentence. I have gone to Egypt 3 times.
Something feels very weird. You cannot be permanently stuck in Egypt.
Exactly. If you went 3 times, you had to come back home.
So it has to be, I have been to Egypt 3 times.
Brilliant. You fixed that terrible mistake perfectly with a magic question.
When you ask if they came back, you literally can never fail.
It works perfectly every single time you speak English at the office.
Let us begin our shadowing practice to train our speaking muscle today.
Sentence 1. I have been to Paris and the trip is totally finished today.
I have been to Paris and the trip is totally finished today.
I have been to Paris and the trip is totally finished today.
Sentence 2. He has gone to the busy supermarket right now today.
He has gone to the busy supermarket right now today.
He has gone to the busy supermarket right now today.
Sentence 3. She has been to beautiful Italy many times before today.
She has been to beautiful Italy many times before today.
She has been to beautiful Italy many times before today.
Sentence 4. My dad has gone to the busy office right now today.
My dad has gone to the busy office right now today.
My dad has gone to the busy office right now today.
Sentence 5. Have you been to the new store downtown yet today?
Have you been to the new store downtown yet today?
Have you been to the new store downtown yet today?
Your pronunciation is completely perfect for the busy office today.
You are officially a master of English grammar conversations right now.
This was honestly the best and most useful English lesson ever.
Let us do a quick mental summary to lock it in forever.
Have been means you went there and you came back home safely.
And have gone means you went there and are still there.
Let us lock in our confident mindset before we finish this episode.
I always see clear pictures when I speak English every day.
My empty suitcase means my wonderful travel experience is completely finished.
I always ask the magic question to build my speaking confidence.
Thank you so much for joining the Grow English Mastery today.
Bless you. We will see you all in the next helpful episode.
If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan a part of your life,
Show your energy by smashing that like button right now.
be a hero for a friend by sharing this video today.
With someone you know is too busy to study English grammar.
And to lock in your commitment to this amazing daily challenge,
Please subscribe and smash that notification bell for more videos.